strong. Well, while I was trying to make that absolutely phenomenal, epic, glorious slow motion film, I was concentrating on the film and not the fact that I was cutting too far into this already very bent and leaning tree. And now the weight is pinching my blade, so I have to figure out a way to loosen it up safely. Woo! So all I did was cut another little notch below it. That way the wood would flex when I took my my chain out. Feels hollow in the middle of the tree when I'm cutting. Kind of messy, but that's how we roll. Come on. Okay, this is the part where semi-professional amateurs like myself enter the chapter of the project called Saving Thyself. So let's go ahead and lasso this tree to see if we can save the embarrassment on this here YouTube channel. The one day I don't bring my big rope, but it's okay. We have this, that, and this. So let's make an extra long one. I hear knots are really good, you know? Keeps everything stronger. But I'm not the world's best knot tire, that's for sure. Oh man, you are barely on that. Oh. Ah. I just hit myself in the eyeball. Oh my gosh, I literally just hit myself in the eyeball. If any of you guys are doctors, I just hit myself in the eyeball. Is there anything wrong with it? Yes, that's it. Lasso it. Call her my Ferrari because she's fast. Something bad just happened. Oh jeez. Guys, please. This is for entertainment purposes only. I hope you realize this, okay? If you haven't been around and seen this incredible YouTube channel soon enough, you'd know that I mean business. But I'm like the guy with no pants working from home, okay? From the waist up, I look like I know what I'm doing, but the parts that matter, nope. So let me show you what happened here. That's the stump. That's the tree. Tree is now hung up in that tree, but it's off the stump. We're just gonna, the strap is still on the tree, so we're just gonna sprint with the tractor. I'm high enough up on that tree, and the tree is so squirrely that I don't think it's gonna hit me. Nah, it won't hit me. Pray for me. Past, present, and future. From bad to worse, from bad to worse, from bad to worse, here we go now. It's season 3, we're on the same thing. We've been at the same place for all 3 seasons. My strap broke. It's okay though. That's what it's stuck on, that little notch right there, that's it. That's the only thing. It's the only thing that's stopping me from domination. I came up with an idea. We're gonna do the reverse pendulum doohickey. We're gonna grab the trunk and pull it back into the forest, giving the top of it more weight, therefore toppling the place in which it was supposed to go originally. Let us try the idea. Prayers still are very valid right now, thank you. One of my favorite parts about these work pants is they're stretchy. I'm so sorry for those of you that don't enjoy this. But this is a victory dance. It only took 10 times. 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 Again, for those of you wondering, look at this. This is my finger, as you can see, and this is the center of the tree. Look at that. That certainly makes you feel better. Do you know what I mean? Because it's only a matter of time. Swap back to the big camera to do some
super sexy slow motion.
So cue the music. Let's cut some trees in style. How sick is slow motion? It's time to cut some more trees down. It's time to cut some more trees down. Get that lawnmower going. I mean, get that chainsaw going. Get that chainsaw going. Get that chainsaw going. Get that chainsaw going. I'm sorry.